Hello there, Master Builders. I'm Pip, the Chief Architect of Word City. Today is a very big day because we have a pile of building blocks, but they are all scrambled up. We need your super smart eyes to help me arrange these letters to build magical words. We are focusing on our most special tools today, the vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. These are the super glue of the English language. Without them, our words wouldn't have any sound. Are you ready to get your construction gear on and build some awesome words with me? Let's get to work. Look at our first blueprint. We have a C and a T. If we leave the middle empty, it just makes a clicking sound. We need a vowel to make it a real word. Should we try the letter A? Let's lift the A block and slide it right into the middle. C-A-T. Cat! Look at that. The A makes the R sound. And now we have a furry friend. Let's try another one. What if we use the vowel O? C-O-T. Cot. That's a cozy little bed. See how just changing that one vowel block changes the whole word. You are already becoming a master word builder. Now let's try something a bit trickier. We have a B and a G. Let's test our vowels. If we put the I in the middle, we get B-I-G, big, like a giant elephant. But wait, what if we take that I out and put the U in? B-U-G, bug, like a tiny little beetle. Wow, big and bug look almost the same, but that vowel in the middle changes everything. Can you whisper the word big really loudly and then whisper bug really quietly? You're doing amazing. Vowels are like the secret power-up for every word you see. Our last project for the day is the most important one. We have the letters P, N, and a blank space. Let's try our final vowel, the letter E. P-E-N. Pen. That's a tool for writing your own stories. You have learned how A, O, I, U, and E can turn simple letter blocks into real powerful words. You used your brain to build cat, cot, big, bug, and pen, all in just a few minutes. That is some serious architectural talent. The Word City blueprints are all finished because of you. Remember, whenever you see a word today, look for the vowel hiding in the middle. It's the heart of the word. Keep practicing, keep building, and I'll see you back in the workshop very soon for our next big project. Great building today, Master Architects. Goodbye.